Hi, Dr. Kapil Govil. Welcome you in this video. This is tutorial number 18 in C programming series. In this video, we will discuss about nested loops. In this video, we will discuss about how they are useful in programming also. So first of all, we should understand where we have to use nested loops. Suppose we have to work in row wise and column wise. For example, in matrices. So suppose there is a matrix of 3 by 4. 3 by 4 stands for there are 3 rows and 4 columns. So like this. There are 3 rows, row 1, row 2, row 3 and columns 4. First column, second column, third column and fourth column. So what we have to do, if we are using nested loops, then it will work like that. In the first row, column first will be used, then second column, then third column and then fourth column. After that, we will use second row. Then in the second row, we will use first column, then second column, then third column and fourth column. And similarly, in the last row, that is third row, we will use first column, second column, third column M and fourth column. So let us see how we will use. So suppose this is first loop, that is started from 1 to 3, because this loop is used for rows. How many rows are there? 3 rows are there. And another loop like 1 to 4. How many columns are there? 4 columns are there. For example, suppose we have to print star. In this matrix, we have to print star or store star. So we are just printing star. After 4 columns, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. After 4 columns, we have to change a line. How? By print new line. Whatever syntax in that programming language we will use. But now we are writing a new line. So it means we are changing the new line. Then increment of row and 4. Now we will understand again. Suppose value of I is 1. For the first instance, value of I is 1. Then if value of I is 1, what will happen? J will be from 1 to 4. Here, this is for I 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, and this is J 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in the first I equal to 1, J has to be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first of all, J will be 1. Then if I is 1, J is 1, then it should be printed star. Then J will be incremented by 1. Then J will be this. So now value of J will be 2. So here I is 1 and J is 2. I is 1 and J is 2. So that is first row and second column. So again star will be printed. J will be incremented again. J is now 3. Here I is 1 and J is 3. So what will happen? This situation, this place, here star again will be printed. Then 3 plus 1 is 4. 4. J is 4 now. So in the first row, fourth column, here star will be printed. Then 4 plus 1 is 5. But we have written that J should be 1 to 4, not more than 4. So this loop will be terminated. Then what we have to do? We have to change the line. So we have changed the line. Next, I equal to I plus 1. So what is the value of I? I is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So now I is 2. When I is 2, j has to be 1 to 4. So for the first instance, j is 1. So at second row, j will be 1. So this procedure, the same procedure will be iterated till I is 3 and j is 4. And then all the stars will be printed. I hope this concept of nested loop will be clear to you. So this is one example of nested loop. So where we are representing that how to use multiple rows. Here 3 rows are there and multiple columns are there. So how we can manage like that. So if we are not using nested loop, then we have to use in the linear array, single row. There is multiple columns are there, but rows are multiple in this situation. So these nested loops are used in matrices, either 2D or 3D or ND. So you can use multiple nested loops. So in the next videos or later on videos, we will of course discuss so many examples of nested loops. So I hope this video, this lecture is now clear to you. Here I would like to request you, if you are watching this video on YouTube channel, then please subscribe this channel. And if you are watching this video on Facebook page, then please follow this page. So thanks for watching this video.
Hey, 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 पढ़ना हो हमें ऐडा या डेटा स्ट्रक्चर, पढ़ना हो हमें ऐडा या डेटा स्ट्रक्चर, समझना हो हमें एल्गोरिथम या फंडामेंटल, समझना हो हमें एल्गोरिथम या फंडामेंटल, बस एक नाम याद रहेगा, डॉक्टर कपिल गोविल। जावा CISE बात हमारे बस की, जावा CISE बात हमारे बस की, बस हमको सर्च है करना, डॉक्टर कपिल गोविल। सब्सक्राइब चैनल डॉक्टर कपिल गोविल, यूट्यूब चैनल डॉक्टर कपिल गोविल।